Welcome to the latest update program. The topic of discussion is new MSME schemes launched. India's MSME Minister has introduced 3 new sub-schemes under the ministry's RAMP, that is Raising and Accelerating MSME Productivity program. These schemes were launched at the second meeting of the National MSME Council. These initiatives aim to promote sustainable technology, enhance the circular economy, and tackle delayed payments in the MSME sector. Now let us discuss these 3 new sub-schemes. First, MSME Green Investment and Financing for Transformation Scheme. This scheme encourages enterprises to adopt green technology. It offers interest subvention and credit guarantee support, aiding businesses in their transition to more sustainable practices. Second, MSE Scheme for Promotion and Investment in Circular Economy. As the government's first ever scheme focused on circular economy projects, it supports MSMEs through credit subsidies. The scheme aims to assist the MSME sector in achieving zero emissions by 2070. Third, MSE Scheme on Online Dispute Resolution for Delayed Payments. This innovative scheme combines legal support with modern IT tools and artificial intelligence. It addresses the issue of delayed payments faced by micro and small enterprises. The ministry is in the process of updating existing MSME schemes, including the support for the commercialization of the IP program and the Z scheme.